JA Fragrance is the first perfume bar in Bacolod City. JA Fragrance stands for Just Andrea Fragrance. We mainly produce perfumes which is affordable for the market. We have room and linen, car diffuser, and anything na pampahumot. And we also offer souvenirs, which is scented souvenirs nga mga for perfumes, sanitizers, which is appropriately nice gift for weddings, baptisms, and any life events. So most of our clients are from Bacolod City, so they get perfumes from us for their souvenir sale event. And then, siguro kung nakakita mo ni ang among perfume bar, naka-attend ka na one of the events that we supply their perfumes. I'm Andrea Michelle Villanueva. I was born here in Bacolod City. I started my early school sa Cadiz City, then here, college sa Bacolod. I graduated from Colegio de San Agustin, Bacolod, BS Chemistry, and now I'm a licensed chemical technician. I work as R&D chemist sa Dubai for almost 5 years of my career.
So you do perfume in Dubai?
No, I don't do perfumes in Dubai. So my work in Dubai is completely technical and totally different sa what I have today.
Paano ka nakakadto sa perfume industry?
Perfume industry, very random lang gid siya. One day, I walk in Carama where may street na nga puro tanan perfumes. And then, we went to one of the plenty of stores there. Actually, downtown siya sa Dubai where you can purchase your perfumes there. And then, I saw this person making and mixing perfumes. That moment, dito to nag-spark ang akong curiosity about perfumes. When my interest started about perfumes, nagpuli ko din sa Bacolod, and then I started mixing my own perfume, and then I started retail sa Mayfair Plaza, and that's way back 2018. So that's where JA Fragrance started. I didn't know nga amo na gali ang impact ng perfumes dito sa Bacolod. And then that's how the JA Fragrance grow as bigger as now na siya. The challenge, of course, is you sell your own mixture, you sell your own perfume, which is hindi kakilala. So, hindi kakabalo paano sila i-approach. Like, literally, ako gidya, nagaduhol sila nga i-try. And then, to the point nga, give up na ko kay maabot ang time nga zero sales gi kuya. But then again, siguro, the quality of perfumes nga nahimo ko, I think they started to believe in my product, and then that's how the buyer grows and grows until such time nga nagdako na ang JA Fragrance. One day, I sell perfumes sa Robinsons. That was 2018 also. And then, my first bazaar there is agad zero sales. So, siling ko, ano man, maybe it's not working because bag-o pagid ko. So, the moment na zero sales ko, syempre ko-observe ko kung paano ko i-capture ang market. So, I learned simple ways how to sell, how to introduce my products, which is new sa Bacolod. So, ako gid mismo ang kapangamot from the very beginning up until now. The most difficult part is to say no to the clients when I was starting events na, because I was the one who first introduced the perfume bar in Bacolod City. So, amo nang pinaka-difficult part as a supplier, as a maker, to say no to the client. But, it turns out nga, kaya ko man gali to supply the needs of the market. But, it's a challenging approach or challenging way siya to deal, especially kung in demand ka na. So, I think that was the point of growing man because of that problem. 5 to 10 years from now, I really see my product or my brand successful, but I believe ang growth sa business is not overnight eh. You should continually improve, you should continually believe in the product that you have. So, I can say that I'll still be in the market. I involve different products na since I am the one who create the products. So, I think it's gonna be a successful 5 to 10 years from now, gyapon. For those who really want to start business, especially in perfume business, Throughout the process, mainly the quality should be truthful because you are serving a product. Eh. So if you start from small, if you think nga kalaway pa sang product mo, don't worry, it's gonna grow. Madako lang na siya madako as long as you take good care of your business. So guys, if you need perfumes as your souvenir, just visit JA Fragrance here at 2nd floor Mayfair Plaza, Bacolod City.